Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn my favorite food, vegetable pulao. So let's start. My favorite food is vegetable pulao. Vegetable pulao is a delicious Indian seasoned rice dish. I love to eat vegetable pulao with green chutney or raita. My mom makes a very tasty vegetable pulao for me. She adds a lot of vegetables in it. Vegetable pulao is very healthy food. Each bite of vegetable pulao makes me want more. Vegetable pulao is a whole meal in one dish. My mother teaches me how to prepare vegetable pulao. All my family members enjoy to eating vegetable pulao. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.